South America, Europe, Asia, Africa, Australia, Antarctica. Seven continents, and 5 oceans: Atlantic, Pacific, Arctic, and Southern, and then Indian. Atlantic, Pacific, Arctic, and Southern, and then Indian. The 7 continents, 5 oceans. 7 continents, 5 oceans.
European waters, North Sea, Baltic Sea, Adriatic Sea, English Channel, Mediterranean Sea. European waters, North Sea, Baltic Sea, Adriatic Sea, English Channel, Mediterranean Sea.
What are some Western European countries? Ireland, England, France, and Spain, Portugal, do. What are some Western European countries? Ireland, England, France, and Spain, Portugal, do.
Seine River, Rhine River, Elbe, Po, Danube, Cups, Romania. Here we go. Volga is in Russia. Don't you know? European rivers flow, flow, flow.
European cities: London, Paris, Rome, Barcelona, Orleans. European cities: London, Paris, Rome, Barcelona, Orleans.
Pyrenees, Alps, Carpathians, Caucasus, Ural, Matterhorn,
Iberian Peninsula, Portugal and Spain. Balkan Peninsula includes Greece. Scandinavian Peninsula, Apennine Peninsula, in Italy, the boot, boot, boot.
Mid-Atlantic world, Cape of Good Hope, Strait of Magellan, Canary Islands, Tridia, Tordesillas. It's a small world after all. Caribbean, Cuba, Jamaica, and Haiti, Dominican Republic, Puerto Rico, Southwest Asia, Afghanistan, Pakistan, and India, Kolkata, Arabian Sea. It's a small world after all. Europe and Asia, Moscow, Kiev, Russia, Siberia, Ukraine. It's a small, small world.
Eastern European seas, White Sea, Barents Sea, and Black Sea, Caspian Sea, and the Aral Sea. Eastern European seas.
Northern European countries and Baltic Europe, sung to the tune of Found a Peanut. Norway, Sweden, Finland, Denmark, and Estonia, Latvia, Lithuania, Belarus, and Poland.
The Levant: Turkey, Cyprus, Syria, Iraq, Iran. Turkey, Cyprus, Syria, Iraq, Iran. Turkey, Cyprus, Syria, Iraq, Iran. Turkey, Cyprus, Syria, Iraq, Iran.
Oh, the Balkans, Greece, Albania, Bulgaria, Romania, Croatia, Slovenia.
Central European countries, Netherlands and Belgium, Luxembourg and Germany and Switzerland. More. Central European countries, Italy, Austria and Hungary, Czechia and Slovakia. Countries I learn in CC. Central European countries, Netherlands and Belgium, Luxembourg and Germany and Switzerland. More. Central European countries, Italy, Austria and Hungary, Czechia and Slovakia. Countries I learn in CC.
Southeastern Asia, Taiwan, North Korea, South Korea, Philippines, Guam. Southeastern Asia, Taiwan, North Korea, South Korea, Philippines, Guam.
Central Southeast Asia, Malaysia, ba-dum-bum-bum. Brunei, East Timor, Indonesia, ba-dum-bum-bum. Laos like a palm tree north of Thailand, ba-dum-bum-bum. Cambodia to the south like a fisted hand, ba-dum-bum-bum. Myanmar on the west shaped like a rat, ba-dum-bum-bum. Vietnam on the east curved like a cat, ba-dum-bum.
Central America, north of Colombia, in South America, and south of the United States, like the great country of Mexico, between the Pacific and the Gulf of Mexico, and in the Gulf of Mexico, like Cuba and the Caribbean. Mexico City is enormous, more than 20 million, and to the south lie Guatemala, Honduras, Belize, El Salvador, Nicaragua, Costa Rica, and Panama. Más rápido. Guatemala, Honduras, Belize, El Salvador, Nicaragua, Costa Rica, and Panama. Más rápido. Guatemala, Honduras, Belize, El Salvador, Nicaragua, Costa Rica, and Panama. Más rápido. Guatemala, Honduras, Belize, El Salvador, Nicaragua, Costa Rica, and Panama.
If everybody had an ocean, an Oceania, start by finding Australia and Indonesia, then to Papua New Guinea, which shares an island too. Surf down the Great Barrier Reef to New Zealand too. If everybody had an ocean, an Oceania, start by finding Australia and Indonesia, then to Papua New Guinea, which shares an island too. Surf down the Great Barrier Reef to New Zealand too.
Central Asian countries all end in stan. Caw, caw, cried this crow in Kazakhstan. Waters oozing out of Uzbekistan. Across this sea from Turkey is Turkmenistan. Meet Tajik, my bunny, in Tajikistan. Kirk found this Keurig in Kyrgyzstan. We're going down, down, down to southern Africa. Namibia, Botswana, Zimbabwe, Mozambique, South Africa, Swaziland, Lesotho. We're traveling down, down, down to southern Africa.
What occurred on each day of creation? Earth, space, time, life, first day of creation. Atmosphere, second day of creation. Dry land, plants, third day of creation. Sun, moon, stars, fourth day of creation. Fish, sea creatures, birds, fifth day of creation. Land, animals, atoms, sixth day of creation. On seventh day, God rested, His work was through, and all was good, and He rested.
Some land biomes are grasslands and desert, scrublands and tundra, deciduous forests, coniferous forests, tropical rainforest could be our home. These are some land biomes: grasslands and deserts, scrublands and tundra, deciduous forests, coniferous forests, tropical rainforests could be our home. These are some land biomes.
Let's go, shan't we? What are three types of consumers? Herbivore, carnivore, and omnivore. What are three types of consumers? Herbivore, carnivore, and omnivore. What are some parts of the food chain? Producer, consumer, and decomposer. What are some parts of the food chain? Producer, consumer, and decomposer.
What are some cycles in nature? The water cycle, the hydrogen-oxygen cycle, the nitrogen cycle.
How do animals react to environmental change? Adapt, migrate, hibernate. Adapt, migrate.
What are 6 forms of pollution? 6 forms of pollution are noise, air, water, land, thermal, and radioactive. Radioactive. Whoa, 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 whoa. What are some aquatic biomes? Ponds and lakes, streams and rivers, oceans and seas, wetlands and estuaries. These are some aquatic biomes.
Some parts of the sun are core, radiative zone, convective zone, sunspots, photosphere, solar flare, and corona, some parts of the sun.
La 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 are the meaning of the planets: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. These are the names of the planets. La 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 la. What are the names of the planets? Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. These are the names of the planets. La 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 la.
Are the phases of the moon? What are the phases of the moon? New, crescent, quarter, gibbous, and full. What are the phases of the moon? What are the phases of the moon? New, crescent, quarter, gibbous, and full.
What are some other bodies in our solar system?
are the states of matter? The states of matter are solid, liquid, gas, plasma. What are the states of matter? The states of matter are solid, liquid, gas, plasma. Woohoo! Yeah!
The rolling boulder crashing down the mountain. That's kinetic energy. Kinetic. The boulder sitting high upon the mountain. That's potential energy. Potential. Energy in motion is kinetic. Energy that's waiting is potential. But whether it's kinetic or potential, both of them are energy. Olay! The heat that comes when gasoline is burning, that's kinetic energy. Kinetic, the energy that gasoline has stored up, that's potential energy. Potential, energy in motion is kinetic. Energy that's waiting is potential. But whether it's kinetic or potential, both of them are energy. Olay! You stretch a rubber band and then release it. That's kinetic energy. Kinetic. You stretch a rubber band and then you hold it. That's potential energy. Potential. Energy in motion is kinetic. Energy that's waiting is potential. But whether it's kinetic or potential, both of them are energy. Olay!
What is Newton's first law of motion? Newton's first law of motion states an object at rest tends to remain at rest, and an object in motion tends to continue moving in a straight line at a constant speed unless an outside force acts upon it.
When a net force acts on an object, its acceleration increases with increasing force and decreases with increasing mass. Newton's second law of motion states that force equals mass times acceleration. Or you could say acceleration equals force divided by mass. This is Newton's second law of motion. Newton's third law of motion states when a body exerts a force on an object, the object exerts an equal force back on that body in an opposite direction. For every action, there is an equal and opposite reaction.
Now we're going to put the whole song together. Right, Piper? Right, Sam? Here we go.
He nodded.
What is the first law of thermodynamics? The first law of thermodynamics states that energy cannot be created or destroyed. What is the second law of thermodynamics, often called entropy? The second law. Thermodynamics explains why heat flows from an area of higher temperature to an area of lower temperature. What is the thermodynamics? The third law of thermodynamics explains that it is impossible to reach a state of that zero temperature.
I wanna magnify your light. I wanna reflect the sun, cut like precious diamonds. the millions. This is the only world we know, and for now this rental's our home. If we gon' be a reflection, gotta make this dirt rock glow. Just so you know.
What are some ways light is observed? These are some ways light is observed. Reflection, refraction, spectrum wave, particle. What are some ways light is observed? These are some ways light is observed. Reflection, refraction, spectrum wave, particle. Conduction, transfer by close contact. Energy needs a medium to act. Conduction